Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing what is content marketing. From brief overview of content marketing, benefits of content marketing to 5 ways to earn through content marketing. This video will give you a comprehensive understanding of content marketing. I will explain how beginner earn through content marketing in 2023, so watch till end and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Let's start with what is content marketing. Well, in simple words, content marketing is a powerful strategy for building brand awareness, generating leads, and increasing conversions. By creating and sharing valuable and informative content, businesses can attract and engage their target audience, ultimately driving them to take action. One of the main benefits of content marketing is that it allows businesses to establish themselves as thought leaders in their industry. By providing valuable insights and expertise, businesses can position themselves as experts in their field, which in turn can help to build trust and credibility with their target audience. Another benefit of content marketing is that it can be used to generate leads. By including calls to action in your content, you can encourage your audience to take the next step in the buying process, whether that's signing up for a newsletter, downloading a white paper, or scheduling a consultation. Content marketing can also be used to increase conversions. By using targeted and personalized content, businesses can help to guide their audience through the buying process and ultimately convert them into paying customers. There are many different types of content that can be used in a content marketing strategy, including blog posts, videos, infographics, ebooks, webinars, case studies, white papers. When creating content, it's important to keep in mind the needs and interests of your target audience. By providing valuable and relevant information, you can help to engage and build a relationship with your audience, which can ultimately lead to conversions. It's also important to measure the performance of your content. By tracking key metrics such as website traffic, engagement, and conversions, you can determine which types of content are most effective and make adjustments accordingly. Now, question is how to start content marketing. Starting a content marketing strategy can seem overwhelming, but you can be broken it down into a few key steps. Number 1. Define your target audience. Identify the demographics, interests, and pain points of the people you want to reach with your content. Number 2. Set your goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your content marketing, such as increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or driving sales. Number 3. Develop a content plan. Create a calendar outlining the types of content you will create, the topics you will cover, and when you will publish it. Number 4. Create valuable and engaging content. Develop a variety of content types, such as blog posts, videos, infographics, ebooks, webinars, and more, that provide value to your target audience and align with your goals. And number 5. Optimize for SEO. Use keywords in your content and optimize your website for search engines to increase visibility and drive more traffic to your content. Now, at this time, you know how to start content marketing, but it's important to note that earning through content marketing requires consistent effort and commitment. You need to be able to create valuable and engaging content consistently, as well as continuously optimize your content to better reach and convert your target audience. I will tell you top 5 ways of earnings through content marketing. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. By including affiliate links in your content, you can earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your link. Number 2. Sponsored content. Companies may be willing to pay for you to create content that promotes their products or services. Number 3. Selling products or services. You can use your content to promote and sell your own products or services, such as ebooks, courses, or consulting services. Number 4. Advertising. You can monetize your website or blog by displaying ads from companies or using a program like Google AdSense. And number 5. Lead generation. You can use your content to generate leads for your business by including calls to action in your content and then selling those leads to other businesses. Another important point to keep in mind is that earning through content marketing will require a lot of testing and experimentation to see what works best for you and your audience, as well as regularly monitoring and analyzing your performance metrics to make data-driven decisions about how to optimize and scale your content marketing efforts. Overall, content marketing is a powerful strategy for building brand awareness, generating leads, and increasing conversions. By creating and sharing valuable and informative content, businesses can attract and engage their target audience, ultimately driving them to take action. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. And don't hesitate to share this video with others who might find it valuable. We will see you in the next video. Take care and keep learning for earning.